Namaskar. Today we will be doing the problems and issues with reference to multi-language. Bilingual education typically refers to first language first education, that is schooling which begins in the mother tongue and transition to additional languages. Means here when we are saying about multi-language or the bilanguage, means with the mother tongue and with the other language. Means suppose my mother tongue is Hindi, so I will go with Hindi and English at the same time when I am going to the schools. Okay, when I am beginning the school. So here is that is when we are at home, basically we don't learn the foreign language or communicative language. We learn the mother tongue only, that is the first language. Okay. When we go to the school, we automatically we first say our own mother tongue or the first language. Okay. Then slowly we acquire the second language. So that is a big problem. When I know one language and I have to adapt one language, so I started relating both the things. Means suppose I am saying pani, then in English I have to say water, so I have to remember one more word, I have to learn one more word, then communicate it. Okay, so I have to learn the word, I have to know the meaning, then I will be able to communicate with others in the same thing. Typically mother language here programs are situated in developing countries where speakers of minority languages, that is non-dominant languages, tend to be disadvantages in the mainstream education system. When we say mother language, what mother language? Everyone is having different mother language even in one state. Suppose I know Hindi, you know maybe Kannada, someone knows Tamil, Telugu, Odia. So everyone is knowing some other languages as a mother language. Okay. Now the program where in the developing cities we are first talking about, where speakers of minority language, means the rural language or the mother tongue here we are saying, which is non-dominant. Suppose I am staying in Jharkhand, but I don't know Santhali, Kurmi, Kurmali, all this language, Ho, I don't know. So I am speaking some other language. Okay, suppose my mother language is Oriya, so I am speaking Oriya here, and the language over here in this state is Santhali, Ho, Munda, all these things. Okay. So in that case again the children are having again one problem, because they don't know this regional language. They know their mother tongue only. Okay. So this is a disadvantages in the mainstream education system. Suppose I am going to the school. When I am going to the school, I will be having a acquisition there. So I don't know the language which is communicated here. So the teacher have to know so many languages which is impossible for a single person to know. So it is one constraint where we are talking about the multi-language education. Okay, multi-language education. There are increasing calls to provide first language first education to immigrant children from immigrant parents. Parents who have moved to the developed world. Means it is a big constraint to those children, those who are not in their own state and they had immigrated with their parents to other state. So first, the very first thing, the first language, first education, immigrant children are having a lot of problem, because they learn their mother tongue only from the birth, or maybe if they have gone to a developed states or countries, maybe with their own mother tongue they have acquired English also, because the educated parents always tries beforehand to teach the communicative language, so that they should not have some problems further. So here we are talking about there are increasing costs to provide this in the immigrated parents. Okay, let it be till this much today. Thank you.